Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Fidau bin Muhammad Yusuf. In this video, I will explain one of the major diseases in oil palm plantation. The disease is Basal stem root or BSR. What is Basal stem root? The Basal stem root disease is represent the high threat to oil palm plantation. The Basal stem root disease is also known as ganoderma disease. It's caused by a pathogen, the white root fungus. The scientific name is Ganoderma bonaerensis. High incidence of basal stem root can be found in Malaysia and Indonesia. Ganoderma disease starts with the colonization of the oil palm root by a pathogen fungus, followed by the degradation of basal stem tissue. The disease then future destroyed to the external tissue. Ganoderma produce enzymes that degrade the effective xylem. This causing serious problem to the distribution of water and other nutrients from the root to the apiary of the part of the plant that will cause wilting, desiccated from and an open spear in the affected tree. Let me explain about the symptoms of the basal stem root disease. There are two major symptoms we show on this disease. It was external symptom and internal symptom. For the external symptom in young plant was the lower leaves become yellow or green angular spot and patches called a mottle. The palm bend downward and then began to root prematurely. The unfolded leaf become yellow, shorter than a normal, and sometimes develop root at the tips. Later, growth become slow, palm become pale and sepal leaf remain unopened. For the system of mature palm is similar to the young. They also show multiple unopened spear leaf and pale leaf. For internal system. For internal system in mature palm is dry root orchard in the stem and trunk. Also powdery root orchard in the roots. The affected young palm will dead within 6 and 12 months of a first system, where mature palm may be survived for 2 and 3 years or longer. The pathogen can be spread through the root infection and basidial spora. The basidial scab continue to form along the trunk, whether the palm remains in place, fall, or is filled. They are up to 6 cm or greater, brown on the top and white below. Let me explain about control management of basal stem root disease or ganoderma disease. The first is soil moistening. Soil moistening is heap soil around the base at the affected palm trunk at the 75 cm height, so the new roots are produced and giving support to prevent the weakened trunk from being collapsed by the wind. This is for affected tree over 50 years old. Second is sanitation. Effective palm and stump we are excavated by digging out of larger hole and then shredded into a smaller piece. Third is clean clearing. The remaining fragments within the effective palm are removed by digging a pit which 1.5 meter square and 60 cm deep at the planting point. Shred the debris and plant a legal cover crop over the area to hasten decay of the debris. The last control management of basal stem root disease is planting cover crop. Planting cover crop has become a standard practice. The planting legal cover crop in plantation is before planting or during replanting. Cover crops are important not only to extend decay of trunk that was infected with a ganoderma, but because of nutrient recycling, nitrogen fixation, and weed control,